have here the Nokang of the Nokang Kwiyfon Society out to condole during the ongoing celebration in honor of the Chief of Manchok Faikayang, a member of the Supreme Authority of the land of Oko. We are today the 16th day in the month of March 2025, and this particular dance is for the chosen few. If you are not of the inner cubicle, you cannot even shake your head when this particular dance is on display. We have here in our tradition going straight away into the morning house, and it is in this particular house that food is being fetched for the inner cubicle. They might come 1, 2, 3 times because food is not ready, but if they go like now and food is ready, it will go straight back into the cubicle. All of this in line with the Oko culture and tradition. And we have here the Konsoikwo fetching food for the inner cubicle. We are right here at the Mbulum's compound in Elak, where the ongoing kreda in honor of the late village chief of Manchok Faikayang is taking place. This is the Nokang display at the Mbulum's compound in Elapoko during the celebration to give the last respect to Faikayang, the village head of Manchok Oko, who answered the heavenly call and is now resting with the gods that created him, and as a member of the inner cubicle of the land, it is for that respect that the inner cubicle is giving him